It is a sad afternoon for Inoro FM fraternity na Royal Media fraternity at large. Onaginya Kenya na mashabiki, very sad news have just been shared and confirmed. Top Inoro FM presenter kuma miaka ya tene onaginyagia riu uredetwo muno ni Kenya has sadly passed away. Igutha inene muno na ndeto ya tiga amemerekia a Inoro TV na Inoro FM mategwitikia na magicakana ruo runene muno presenter uyu urikitie kumatiga. Oho gikuo kingi kirikitie kwanika na gutiga bururi mugima ugicakaya na top Kenyan actress Gloria Mora uria uikaine muno ta Nyaboke. She has sadly lost her daughter. Kairitu gake gokoro wa miaka 19 karakarari university ni karakorirwo gakihuruka undu uhutitie Akenya na njira nene muno tondu looking at her family. Nyaboke ni arakoretwo akiumburira Akenya ni makoretwo makigerera maundu maingi muno. She has lost so many relatives in the last 1 year. Ni akorirwo akiumbura, she lost her brother and other people to family-ini yao na riu gukorwo ni lose mwana wake ni undu wina kieha na undu wina maithori muno, na Akenya ni meyumiritie na njira nene muno kunyitanira kuhoera Diana Mora, keeping her in prayer during this really painful and hard time. And we too send out our deepest and most heartfelt condolences to Nyaboke. Ngai aromuhe thayo, Ngai aromumiriria, Ngai arokorwo wa kumugiria maithori na kwe kana gake kiuruko kiega. Na riu kuri ndeto ingi ya hota aingi muno ni gikuo kia presenter wi gatũ wa Inoro FM. Ndeto yakora giconfirmwo ni Wanjiku wa Gitonga uria wakorwo akiumbura. This has come just a few days after they had a mega celebration ya gukungwira Inoro FM. They have been met by very sad and shocking news. A Professor Ngugi wa Njoroge, Inoro FM presenter, ni arikitie kuhuruka, na Wanjiku wa Gitonga akirekereria ndomireri ino kugerera her social media page where she has broke the news to Kenyans. Ni akorwo akiumbura ahurukire kiroko kio umuthi at dawn, na ni lose mundu wa mwanya muno, a great legend, a great veteran in journalism, na mundu uraheaga Akenya mataro na njira ya mwanya muno. A great soul has rested, a great teacher, a great mentor, na Akenya ni mahoera family yake thayo na hinya ihinda-ini riri ritu. Pole sana to the family, to Inoro FM and Inoro Media fraternity. May God grant them peace and may he rest in eternal peace. Na ndugakiriganirwo gusubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.